Okay, what do two bullets have when they get married? So here, like number 2, we have a rectangle that is 3 meters wide and 10 meters long. And they're asking us, what is the length of the diagonal? Have you ever seen those giant screens?
Yeah.
The giant screens? Okay, 3 meters wide is about 10 feet tall.
10.
And 10 meters long. So we're talking about a movie theater type screen here, right? And how television screens are measured is by the diagonal. They're not going to tell you it's 10 meters wide and 3 meters tall. They're going to say it's whatever we come up with on this measurement. They're going to always use a diagonal. It sounds better, but I don't know exactly why they do it. So, what sides do we have? A and B. So we're going to do 3 squared plus 10 squared equals C squared. So 9 plus 100 equals C squared. 109 equals C squared. So if we were looking on our handy-dandy calculator and we took the square root of 109 on a calculator, we would get 10.4403.065, and that would be C. Okay? There we go.
Oh, that's
10.44. Now on the assignment, they give you something that looks like that. That's approximately equal to, it's yet another way to write it. Excuse me? Did you have a question? We are going to also, so if a ship leaves port and sails, now think about this one. What is the most direct route? A ship leaves port and sails west, then north. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you're calculating one of these, that way's north, this way's south. Which way is the arrow? East or west?
West.
Is this west?
Yeah.
East.
East.
That's east, and this is west. Okay? So, a ship leaves port and sails 12 kilometers west and then 19 kilometers north. How far is the ship from port? What did you just discover? What have you just created? A right triangle, haven't you? And you want to know this distance.
Oh, just a sec.
So we have 12 squared plus 19 squared equals C squared. So we get 144 plus 361 equals C squared.
Can you move it up a little?
Which is 505 equals C squared. Well, then what do I do? What am I going to do to figure out how far they are from port? How do I figure it out?
Just use the square root.
Use the square root of C squared and 505. Okay? And handy dandy calculator again would be 22.472, so 22.5 equals C. And again, that's approximate. Okay?
I actually got it.
Cool.
I barely said it, but I did.
Cool.